Did you ever feel overwhelmed when you was looking at profit and loss report because of the numbers? Well, you're not alone, and today I'm going to explain step by step how to look and understand profit and loss report and understand financials, what they're trying to show you about your business. Hey, I'm David. I'm owner of DZR Bookkeeping, and I'm helping small business owners with their books. So stay tuned, maybe subscribe to my channel, and you will have a lot of valuable information for your business. So what is profit and loss report? Profit and loss report is summary of income and expenses and net profit over a certain period of time. Here's a sample of profit and loss report. You can see it's dated from January to December, right? And here we have income, we have total for net income, cost of goods and sold, gross profit. We have expenses, we have all this list of expenses, total for expenses, net operating income, other income, and other expenses. And then we have net income. So let me break it down for you. First of all is income. Income is money that your business earns from providing either service or sell some product. As you can see, this example of profit and loss report is for business which providing services to their customers. So this is income, and also discount which business owner gift to the customers. So here's the total income for period from January to December. Our next point is cost of goods and sold. This can be a little bit complicated, and it's actually pretty simple. Cost of goods and sold is direct cost of providing or delivering your products to the customers. Other way to say it, you can't make that income without spending that money. Cost of goods sold is like coffee, beans, and milk for coffee shop, or materials and subcontract for construction company. So this is something that your business has to spend to make this income. So this is cost of goods and sold. So next is gross profit. Gross profit is income minus cost of goods and sold. Then you will have your gross profit. So this shows how much money your business keeps after covering costs of production and delivering what you sold. So in case of cost, if cost of goods sold in this case would have, for example, $542.47, then gross profit would be only $9,000. Now you can see its expenses. Expenses of your business: advertising, bank fee, donations if you guys making some donations, dues and subscriptions that you need for your business, website expense. So expenses that you need to spend for your business to run, right? And here's the total for expenses: $6,000. Net operating income is everything what's left after gross profit minus expenses. So you have your gross profit right here, $9,000, 542, and minus 6,719, you will get $2,822.53, right? So other income or other expenses, this is something that is not part of day-to-day routine for your business. for like day-to-day operations, you know. And if you, for example, will sell some old equipment, this will be here in other income. And as you can see here, other expenses, this is something like parking tools. It can be also some like penalties or taxes, fees, and so on. And also in other income, it can be something like interest which you have in your savings account, from your savings account. This is also will be considered as other income. I hope it was easy to understand this profit and loss explanation. So here we have it. You can look at it again. Here we have income. We have cost and goods sold. We have expenses for a business. We have total for expenses. This is net operating income. This is money which left after all these expenses. Then we have other operating income and expenses. So here's the total for them, minus $400. And here's the bottom line, net income. Thank you for watching all the way to here. And now you know how to look at the profit and loss report. You know what those names mean, what those numbers mean. And if you're a business owner, you have to understand it. You have to understand it to run your business efficiently. You need to see where you're overspending, where you need to like cut your expenses, you know. You will be able to see how much you have to spend next time for supplies, that you will be able to provide enough services to your client, and so and so. So yeah, learn that for sure. If you need, rewatch the video, ask me questions if you have, and have a blessed day.